This is Bart with Mad Dogs Trains. We did a new design for the bell. Our original bell I'm going to do right now, where both bells will be dinging at once. Then the second part of the video will be where one bell will go on, the other bell will sound. So it'll be every other bell, or the first one is both bells. Now that's the original design, both bells go on, and now I will do the one for alternating bell for the two bells. Now this is the one for the alternating of the two bells. So the first one's option 1, and then the second one is option 2, where they're alternating bells. We have a gentleman in Hawaii that like that. Just putting that out there for a different option if somebody wants it. So this will be the option 2, which is the alternating bells. This is Bart with Mad Dogs Trains. Thank you.